Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Ethan Wright.
Good evening, Mr. Wright. Let's locate your reservation. Yes, I have you booked for a queen room for 2 nights. Is everything correct?
That's perfect, thank you.
Great. May I have your ID and a payment method for any incidental charges?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. All is set. Here's your room key. You're in room 708 on the 7th floor. The elevators are just to your left past those doors.
Thanks. What are the gym hours?
Our gym is open 24/7. You'll just need your room key for access.
Excellent. And is the Wi-Fi included?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. You'll find the network name and password on a card in your room.
That's great. Could you also recommend a good dining spot nearby?
Absolutely. There's an excellent seafood bistro just a 5-minute walk from here. Would you like me to reserve a table for you?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Wright. If there's anything else you need, just dial 0 from your room phone. Have a fantastic stay.
I appreciate your help, thanks.